go, the start of the Kyosho Raiders run, my first RC and my favourite RC, posting its first lap of 2024 at 9.27, not setting the world alight, but this car was an entry-level car back at the end of the 1980s, so I don't have massively high hopes for it, but I do think this one might go a little bit better because I've got some big ball shocks on it. It's got a decent motor, or a reasonably decent motor in it. As you can already see, it's starting to put in some decent laps. The Raider is unique because it's got that mid-motor position that a lot of entry cars didn't have, which means it does drive reasonably well. It's quite nicely balanced. The biggest problem it has is the steering throw is not great, so it doesn't get a tight turn. And you can see, as we're going around the corners, it's just not getting tight enough. You can't really get it in nice and tight. You have to come on the brakes pretty heavy. That was a good lap, 7.94. That is not a bad lap for this car. I am hoping to get pretty close. There we go, 7.27. We're starting to get into it. Once you get the hang of this car and you can slam that back end round, you really can start posting some great laps. That was a great corner. It's just struggling on the grass section a little bit. The tyres aren't really set up for the grass. They're far better on a full dirt track. But unfortunately this season, that is not this way the Orchard Raceway is set up. Do you know what? I'll take that. I will take that. 7.27, I think, is a very respectable time. We had a nice big crash into the tyres, didn't we? A bit of fun. It jumps nicely. It runs all right. It's not setting any lap records. But do you know what? It's a blooming good fun car, isn't it? And it looks good. I think that is one of the best looking RCs that you can get. There'll be many people that won't agree with me. They won't like the look of it. Mid-motor. I mean, back in the day, in the sort of late 80s when this came out, 89, I want to say, the Raider came out. This was going up against, I remember running this against Frogs and Hornets and stuff like that. They don't even hold anywhere near that level of cool and awesomeness that the Raider does. Just love it. If you don't have a Raider, get one. There's nothing like it. It drives beautiful. It's great fun. And it sounds, I think, like nothing else, really. There's lots of unique RCs that run and sound differently, but this one just screams nostalgia to me.